Hello, geography students. This is Mrs. Politsky, and I have your notes for Chapter 11, Section 3, Life in Western Europe. So, as we go along, make sure you're following along and you're getting things jotted down. All right. Number 39, in 1959, France, West Germany, Belgium, and the Netherlands, Luxembourg, and Italy got together and they formed what is known as the European Economic Community, or the EEC. This kind of morphs by 1993 into what is known today as the European Union. And this was formed so that European countries could compete economically with the US, China, and Japan. Today, there are over 27 members of the EU, and many of these nations use a common currency called the euro. Granted, not everybody uses the euro. And matter of fact, not everyone in Europe is in the European Union. If you look below at the map in the middle, you'll note that the United Kingdom is no longer a member of the EU, and the British, for the most part, do not use the euro. They use the British pound as their currency. At number 41, most people in Western Europe also speak an Indo European type of language, which includes languages spoken in most parts of Europe, parts of the world that were colonized by Europeans, Persians, Indians, or other parts of Asia. Two major divisions of the Indo European language are the Romance languages and the Germanic languages. It is common for Western Europeans to speak more than one language um, and their native language in addition to English, French, or German. So when we talk about Romance languages, that would include like French and Italian and Spanish. Christianity is also a major religion in Europe, with Protestantism as the strongest in the United Kingdom and Germany, and Roman Catholicism being dominant in Ireland, France, and Belgium. The Holocaust wiped out most of the Jewish population in Europe, but today there are Jewish communities in France and the United Kingdom and Germany. In number 45, Europeans first began riding high speed railroads in 1981. France built a high speed railway between all of its major cities, with trains reaching up to 185 miles per hour. In the 1990s, French high speed rail connected other railroads, including uh, the tunnel or channel under the English Channel. One of Europe's best highway systems is the Autobahn, which is in Germany. It was built by the Nazis in the 1930s, primarily to move military troops around Germany and part of the areas that Germany had conquered. It became the model for the United States interstate highway system. And the fastest recorded speed on the Autobahn was 268.9 miles per hour, which was recorded in 1938. No one has driven that fast since, but the Autobahn is known for having very high speed limits, much faster than what you're going to find here in the United States. In number 47, Western Europe is one of the most well educated regions in the world. School is mandatory until a person reaches age 16. Western Europe contains some of the oldest universities, including Oxford University in England and the University of Paris, which obviously is in Paris, that opened up around the 1200s. The global financial crisis of 2008 caused many countries, many of the current struggles in Western Europe. Immigrants from Africa, Asia, Eastern Europe came looking for jobs, fleeing oppression, having brought more diverse cultures as well as racial and religious tensions to parts of Europe. Thank you very much.